So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to talk how I have learned my English and how I have become fluent in English. And today I will tell you how you can also speak as a fluent guy. So let's move forward and I'm gonna tell you step by step. So before moving forward, so if you are first time watching my video, so kindly like this video and subscribe my channel for further updates. So guys, let's start this video and as you know that guys, to learn any language three things are very common, not for only English, but I'm going to tell you how I have learned English. So actually for speaking English, first I have done like writing practice, writing, and then here you can see writing, listening, and speaking. Three things I think is very important for speaking English. So first I have done something regarding writing. Guys, in the case of learning English, to become fluent in English, you need something which can help you to speak English. So for writing, I have learned some grammar rules, like some classes, how I can speak English, some basic knowledge. I have learned something basic regarding speaking. Okay, only basic knowledge, not detailed grammar in a long way. Okay, just I have learned a little bit grammar for speaking. Then guys, I have done second things, and it is listening. First I have completed first thing writing, then I have got idea how I can make sentence. Actually, if you don't know anything about English, how you can speak a sentence, so obviously we need writing practice. When we will write something, so we will understand how we make sentence. Like if you have to say something in Hindi, मैं जा सकता हूँ, so you can use I can go, मैं जा सकता हूँ. So guys, when you will translate after writing, so your mind will generate like that, your mind will generate such thought like that, and you will be able to translate so many sentences in English. So guys, like this I have improved my writing skill, and I have started thinking so many sentences in my mind, and it helped me a lot. And second things, after that I have done my like listening practice. I have selected some YouTube channels. You can also select some basic conversation in English, some basic conversation English YouTube channels. So from there you have to watch, like you can subscribe some cartoon videos in your native language, as well as if you don't know, so you can comment me, I will suggest you some YouTube channel. So guys, like this I have done second thing. Say after that guys, what I have learned from second things, actually from listening I have improved my listening practice, because some people they know writing but they don't understand listening. So I think listening is a also main part of speaking. So first writing, second listening. When you will listen, so you will understand how people speak, how they while speaking, how they act, how they are like attraction, how they move their hand, how they like move their body. So you will, your mind will capture everything, and he will understand how a person is telling any situation. So second things, it will take a little bit time, but gradually as you will listening, you will do listening. So after some times you will feel that your understanding power is getting improved day by day. So guys, if I talk another thing, like a third thing, say what I have done for my speaking: first writing, second listening, and then third I have done speaking. It is called speaking English. So third thing is speaking. I have started speaking. In beginning it was not so good. I was just feeling hesitation front of anyone. Even I was not able to speak in a fluent guy, so in a fluent way. So it was very difficult to start from beginning. It is not for me especially, it is for everyone if you will start. So guys, in beginning it is difficult for everyone to speak English, because at that time we don't know how to speak, how to make a sentence. So but you have to gradually to, like when you will complete your writing practice, so from there you will understand how you can make a sentence. So whenever you just speak in English, so just speak slowly, okay? If you are trying to speak any words, you are going somewhere and you have to like think, okay? Think something like you have to say like in Hindi. I'm going to say you like मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. Now you have to translate in Hindi, sorry, in English. So you can say I am going to market. If you have completed your tense, so I think it will help you more, okay? So guys, another thing speaking, what you have to do in speaking, try to complete some tenses, okay, models like this, and practice more and more, and they'll try to learn some daily phrases so that you can use while speaking. And another thing, whatever you know, right or wrong, just try to speak, and try to speak slowly. In beginning, don't try to speak in a high way, in a long way, in a fluent way. Just speak slowly, and gradually, as you maintain your level, you can improve your. So like this guys, we can speak English. I mean, I have learned English from this way. It was difficult, and if you haven't understood, so I can upload another part. And if you so guys, it was the video of how I have learned English. And if you have any queries regarding speaking English, so you can comment me. Obviously, I will upload a video for you. And if you also like to watch English related videos, so you can subscribe this channel. And regarding watching more videos like this, so stay with my video. Until then, take care.